Subha, you know that I got this promotion recently. I'm now leading a big team, but somehow I feel like I'm failing there as a leader. Yeah. This is one of the problem statements that one of my clients brought in. As we delved deeper, she started sharing more. Subha, you know what? Whatever I try, my team always thinks that I'm not approachable, I'm not supporting enough, or I'm taking too long a time before I could make any, even a small decision. So these are all the feedback that I'm getting. I'm trying to talk more, do more, but still, I don't see anything changing. Yeah. What exactly happened here? She is identified as an introvert. Yeah. So she takes longer time to process before she can respond to anybody's query. Yeah. This is one example that she brought in. So likewise, there are so many misinterpretations, misunderstanding around her behavior, the way that she's speaking, their acting, and everything. Yeah. And then we had a long journey. Slowly, we started implementing certain strategies. I thought I'll take this opportunity to give you 4 different strategies you can use if you identify as an introvert leader. Yeah. First of all, clarify your approach. Yeah. You will have a unique approach. You can tell them, you know what, I need longer time to process the information deeply before I can respond. At the same time, it doesn't mean that I am not listening to you. If you look at it, I listen to all your ideas, then I take that decision. You have to communicate that very clearly. And then the second is own your narrative. Yeah. When you are saying that this is how I work, at the same time, I'm ready to embrace the way that you work, you have to own it. For the sake of becoming an extrovert or, doing something which you are not, it's going to bring in a challenge in the long run. So own your narrative. Then communicate transparently. Yeah. So you can hear when we say transparently, even though you may be embracing everybody's ideas, unless until you communicate that, they may not be able to understand. Yeah. That could be one of the reasons why you are getting certain feedback. So communicate transparently. And fourth one of the critical strengths that you are having, I would like you to leverage it to your advantage, which is you can be the champion of diversity. Because as an introvert, you naturally have that ability to listen to multiple ideas and then bring out all those ideas on the table. Yeah. So what does it mean? You are ready to champion, you are ready to nurture the culture where all personality types, all working styles can come together and create that collaborative energy. Yeah. Would you be willing to implement any of these or all of these strategies and let me know how it helped? Thank you.